Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Webonsky. Today we will see how we can receive money from foreign country in your bank account. So you may work as a consultant and mm, work for clients like America, Europe, Australia, or any other country outside of our native country. So how you can receive that amount in India of your bank account? So let us see. As you can see in my screen, we have details like name, account number, IFSC code, SWIFT code, country, and city. So these are the information that you need to share it with your client if you are willing to receive money in your bank account. For the SWIFT code, you will need to ask it from your bank officials. If your home branch is nearest to your residing location, you can just go and ask for this detail, and you will need to share these information with your client. There are other ways to receive the money, but like PayPal, and there are other platforms, but those platforms detect a lot of percentage in exchange rate, and also they don't uh, put a proper currency exchange rate as per the current scenario. So it is best to receive the amount in your bank account directly via wire transfer. That is this. So you should prefer receiving that amount in your bank account instead of from different platforms. In this example, I'm taking an example of HDFC Bank as an example. So what you need to ask you need to ask these details from HDFC Bank official, or directly call it to the support and ask for the SWIFT code so that you can share it with your client or anybody. If you this applies on all the purposes for which you want to receive money from different locations or foreign country. So once you share these details with your client, and suppose your client has sent some amount to your account, so as soon as this the amount gets received in the bank account, it alerts in a form of message, and you will receive that message and saying that you have received a foreign currency inward remittance in your bank account. For now, what you need to do, so I'm taking HDFC as an example. So you will need to log into your net banking portal and go to the transact section, and there click on the foreign currency inward remittance. Once you click on that panel, it will open the page, and there you will see a received inward remittance. To consume that amount, you will need to click on the details and fill some required information like country, what is the purpose of receiving that amount, etc. After filling those information correctly, and once you confirm it, it will send an alert to the bank officials, and then within 1 or 2 days that amount gets credited in your bank account. So this is the complete process that will come across in this receiving that amount. Let me show you how you can go to that HDFC panel where you can see the foreign currency inward remittance and fill the informations. Before going forward, I would like to let you know one more thing that is important. Along with the message, you will receive an email alert as well. So in the email, you will see a detailed information of the received amount from foreign currency. I mean, from foreign country of your client. And there you will see the complete details like who is sending the amount, what is the reference number, and many other things that will be required, and you should keep that in at a secure place so that if something goes wrong and the amount gets not credited in your bank account, you can share those details with your bank officials, and then the amount will be credited in your bank account after verifying that. This is the net banking portal. if you have a bank account in HDFC Bank, so you will need to log in here with your net banking username and password. Here you will need to enter the customer ID and password and other steps that is required to log in the net banking portal. Now I have logged in to my net banking portal, and you need to click on accounts, and after that click on transact section, and here just scroll down until you see this foreign currency inward remittance. Now you need to click on this option, and this is the page where you will see your foreign currency inward remittance if you receive any inward request from your client. So here you will be the details, and you will need to click on that particular remittance and then fill the required information like purpose code and all. If you are not aware which purpose code you should choose, you can directly contact to your bank officials and tell them that this is the purpose of receiving money. Then they will help you to choose the purpose code from the drop down. They may also ask for some details, like if you are a consultant working for a company in a foreign country for some of your client, then they may ask for the consultancy agreement or details to verify that you are going to receive that amount for this purpose. So this is the step that you need to follow, and after filling those information properly, you will receive that amount within 1 or 2 working days, and that amount will get credited in your bank account. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe.